salutations, it's your girl Ahnya, and I'm back with another one. Greetings and salutations, it's your girl Ahnya. Make sure you like this video.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me and I am back with a video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a voiceover, if you couldn't tell already. So basically I just wanted to talk to you guys and connect with you guys. Maybe somebody out there can relate to me. So lately I've just been feeling like maybe makeup isn't for me, maybe YouTube isn't for me, maybe I should just focus on school. And I had to tell myself that I could do multiple things. I could be an MUA, I could be an MEB, I can be a nurse, I can be a singer, I can be a dancer, I can be whatever I want to be. There's no limitations in life, and I feel like a lot of people need to hear that. Like, if you have multiple talents, don't limit yourself to one talent. And it's just been like hard to like actually get into a routine of like pushing myself and coming out of my comfort zone, because it is hard. None of this that I'm doing is easy. Like, I kind of get like discouraged because I might not have, like, I put in so much work and I don't get the results that I expect, but I just have to tell myself that it will come when the time is right. But yeah, so if you feel this way, like, I suggest that you just keep pushing, you keep going. I'm trying to keep this video as a learning lesson, as a life lesson, as I want to look back on something and be like, I was in this place once before. Sorry. I was in this place once before and my headspace was just kind of like all over the place, but it takes a lot to do YouTube. Like, a lot of people don't understand that we have to sit here, edit the videos. We have to make sure what we're putting out is right. We don't want to be like fake. You don't want people to think you're fake with how you're acting. You don't want people to think how, like, you want people to like what you're doing. And the thing is, a lot of people in the world say that they don't care about what people think, but they really do. I'm just being honest, but I think I was focusing way too much on what people think of me and what I would get out of the YouTube. Like, how I don't expect anything really. I just wanted to be able to help people, be able to connect with others, and be able to talk to different people, network with different people, connect with different people, all of that, all of those things. And like I said, like, I know I keep repeating myself that it's hard, and like, a lot of you want to give up because, like I said, it's not easy at all. Sitting in front of the camera, editing, making sure you're saying the right things, not the wrong things, making sure that you're putting out good content, making sure that your thumbnail looks right, making sure that the products are described right, making sure that everybody can enjoy the video. And you know, you want people to watch your entire video. Like, you want them to watch the full video, be interested. You don't want people to watch like 30 seconds of the video and click off and be like, oh, this is not for me, this is not what I expected. And it's fine for people to do that, but as a YouTuber, like, looking into all the different things and watch times and all that, it kind of gets in our heads, and it's like, oh, well, no one's watching my video this long enough, so what can I do to perfect it? What can I do to change it? So it's a lot that goes on in this YouTube process, and the makeup process, doing other people's makeup. People may not like it, and I expect these negative things, but I also want positive outcomes as well. You know, it's kind of gets annoying when you're doing people's makeup and they're like, oh, can you fix this? I don't like this about this. And that's fine. You if you're paying for something, you want it to be right. But I feel like people's expectations are really extremely high at this point. And I've never had any, like, too many issues, but it's just like after you get so much rude commentary, it's just like you want to give up and stuff. But I'm here to tell you, I know this video is like, it's kind of me being a little bit vulnerable, and me putting myself out there, my feelings and how I feel. But if you watch the entire video, I'm not quitting. This is not me saying I'm quitting YouTube. It's just me saying that I was slacking because I was putting out content, wasn't getting the results that I wanted to. But I'm still going to keep going. I'm still going to keep pushing. And I know when the time is right, everything will fall into place. So if you're out here, you feel some of these things that I've been feeling, just make sure that you're taking the time to think about things, think about your business, think about your school, think about you. Just think about you, honestly. But humble yourself, stay humble, don't be cocky about it, and continue to just be you and have fun, because if you be you, then people will love you for you. That's pretty much it, what I have to say. If you made it through this entire video, like I said, I love you guys. I support each and every person who has subscribed to my channel and has watched me throughout this whole entire process. I can't thank you guys enough. Like I said, if you have any feedback, suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Subscribe to the channel, ayy, ayy. Hit that bell, ayy, ayy. Hit that bell like